Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll create a virtual network in Azure portal. So let's begin. In the search bar, search for virtual network. As of now, there are no virtual networks. We'll click on create. We'll create a new resource group, name it as RG demo VNet. Okay, give me OK. Demo VNet. And then we go to the IP addresses. We'll delete the default subnet and we'll create we'll give the address prefix of our VNet as 10.1.0.0. The /16 in CID notification is that the first 16 bits is for the network and the rest 16 bits are for the host. Okay, now let's create a subnet. Suppose this subnet we create for our applications. Okay, so we'll call it as an application subnet, and this will begin with 0.1.1. Okay, and in the subnet, first 24 bit will identify the subnet, and the last octet will identify the host within the subnet. So we'll create it as add. Now let's create another subnet for say our database workload. So we'll go here, say DB subnet. This we will create is 10.1.2, and this also will create it as /24. Now add it. That's it. Our VNet is created. We'll review and create and create. So the deployment will take some 10-15 seconds. And our resource is created. Let's go to the resource. We can see the address space. Okay, it can have this many hosts and subnet. And remember, there are some IP addresses that are reserved for like broadcast message, for default gateway, and for the address of the network itself. So we have to keep that in mind. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.